Okay, so this is a random YouTube video, but this fucking... I don't even know what to call you, man.
The cameraman. Beaver.
A beaver. This beaver is after paying 300 euros for a remap about 2 hours ago. And he's not happy with it. And he tried to complain to the fella, but he was too shy to say that I'm not paying for this service. So I'm after breaking out my laptop from about, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. And my heart's in my mouth. I pulled the file off the ECU and we're going to send it over to some dude in Portugal. Shout out Diego. He's going to do some magic, send it back. We're going to load it up. And this dude's going to be... So we got the file from the cuz. It's time to fucking load that shit up and fucking... Oh my god, it's literally lit!
You need the thumbnail, bro.
Mr. Beast. We'll test this file out, dude.
Yeah, let's go.
So we got the genuine clone cable and the genuine crop top. It's pretty cold, so it shouldn't overheat out here. The laptop, I mean. Shouldn't speak so soon because if this thing breaks, I'll be very sad. So I won't be lying, but my heart's in my mouth because this laptop, if the fucking charger thing hops out, it'll turn off. But we're good. We're up to 26% already after 30 seconds, dude.
It's okay. It's gotta last another 1 minute.
Yep. Nobody move.
Let's breathe.
Driveway remaps, dude. Shout out to Diego, my cuz, the OG. I feel bad, yeah, I'm saying his name wrong.
Gamero. Yeah, that was good, I think.
But how's his name so unmemorable?
He's a real one.
Dude, we're mapped. We're literally mapped. Dude. Give her a rev, cuz! Even though it's cold, I want to hear that limiter.
Oh, I don't know.